Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I saw the announcement of the Steam Snap for ARM on Ubuntu. So I thought let's give it a try. And well, as I create this video, then you probably know that it worked because yeah, if it didn't work, then there was not much point in creating the video. I also tried it on the Racha Dragon Q6A, but perhaps I was not patient enough. But yeah, I decided to test it on my Phytium D2000, an octa-core ARM chip, A72 cores, and an AMD Radeon RX 550. So, you can install it like this: sudo snap install -- candidate steam, and then that part goes relatively quick. But once you start Steam, and well, I think at this stage it's probably better to start it from the command line so you can see what it's doing, if it's doing anything, because you also have the risk that if it errors out that you don't get a message when you're starting it from the desktop. And they say it may take up to 10 minutes, and yeah, depending on the speed of your machine, it might even be more than 10 minutes until you get to the Steam client. So here you can see we have Steam, and let's test with Half-Life 2. And you can see that there's some information about an unknown configuration option, but it doesn't stop you from starting Steam, but at least that particular one. So let's see. It's not the fastest experience that I've had with Steam on ARM. It's also doing some funny things with the screen, but we'll get there. And I'm not really sure why this is so slow. I mean, even on my single board computers, this was a lot smoother. But then I installed it just manually, Fex or Box64, and then Steam. And well, I would say octa-core A72 cores. It's not the slowest ARM machine out there. It's actually probably faster than the single board computers that I have, and the AMD Radeon RX 550 is also a better GPU than the ones that are the integrated GPUs. So let's start the game, and in the top right corner you should see the frames per second. And yeah, it's you could say a beta, and I'm not really sure if I can check with Fex-Config the configuration. So once we get some real action in the screen, then you will see that the frames will drop, or at least the frame rate will drop. And this is with default settings. So yeah, in my opinion, this is not the best experience I've had with Steam on ARM, and yeah, it's a beta, so probably they still can improve the performance. But for now, yeah, I think this is not the best I've seen from a performance point of view. And I also know that a lot of people don't really like snaps, but I guess on the other hand, um, it can be an easy way to install things like Steam. And yeah, but I guess for now, probably a manual install and correctly configuring things with Fex-Config is probably a better experience. But on the other hand, this is an easy option. And I guess as long as you have hardware that is fast enough, then that you might have a good experience with this. So let's see how this will develop in the future. And I will also try to get it running on an SBC. And yeah, this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.